If you're looking for a cocktail that's simple, refreshing, and perfect for entertaining, the Whiskey Ginger Pitcher is one of the easiest crowd pleasers you can make. It takes the classic whiskey ginger, a drink loved for its crisp ginger bite and smooth whiskey warmth, and turns it into a large batch party pitcher that's ready for guests, gatherings, and backyard evenings. The beauty of this drink is its balance and simplicity. The rich caramel notes of whiskey blend beautifully with the bright citrus snap of fresh lime juice and the lively fizz of ginger ale. When everything comes together in a chilled pitcher packed with ice and fresh lime wheels, you get a cocktail that's bold, bubbly, and incredibly refreshing. This pitcher version is designed to make entertaining effortless. Instead of mixing individual drinks all night, you can prepare a large batch ahead of time so your guests can simply pour and enjoy. It's perfect for summer barbecues, game nights, holiday parties, or casual get-togethers, and it comes together in just a few easy steps. Another reason why this cocktail works so well is that it scales beautifully. Whether you're serving a few drinks or a table full of guests, the flavor stays consistent because the ingredients are straightforward. Quality whiskey, fresh lime juice, and crisp ginger ale. A gentle stir keeps the carbonation lively while the citrus brightens the entire drink. And like many great cocktails, the details make the difference. Fresh lime wheels infuse the pitcher with citrus aroma. The ginger ale adds lively sparkle, and the whiskey brings warmth and depth that keeps every sip balanced. So today we're building a whiskey ginger pitcher, a refreshing fizzy whiskey cocktail that's easy to make, easy to serve, and guaranteed to disappear quickly. Let's get started. Place a large clear glass pitcher on the work surface. A sturdy pitcher with a wide opening works best because it allows the ingredients to mix easily while giving enough space for the ice and garnishes. Starting with an empty pitcher keeps the build organized and makes it easier to layer the ingredients properly. Measure 3 cups of whiskey using a large measuring cup. Bourbon adds warm caramel and vanilla notes, while rye whiskey brings a slightly spicier character. Measuring the whiskey first ensures the base of the cocktail stays balanced and consistent for the entire batch. Pour the measured whiskey directly into the empty pitcher. This forms the foundation of the drink and allows the other ingredients to blend naturally with the spirit. The whiskey should settle cleanly at the bottom before the citrus and carbonation are added. Slice fresh limes into thin wheels and wedges. Wheels will infuse the pitcher with bright citrus flavor while also adding visual appeal to the finished drink. Fresh lime is important because the bottled juice lacks the vibrant acidity and aroma that fresh citrus provides. Squeeze the fresh lime juice into a measuring cup until you reach half a cup. Fresh juice adds brightness that balances the richness of the whiskey and the sweetness of the ginger ale. The citrus also helps tie the flavors together and keeps the drink refreshing rather than heavy. Pour the freshly squeezed lime juice into the pitcher with the whiskey. As the citrus blends with the whiskey, the flavors begin to balance out, creating a slightly tart base that will support the ginger ale added later. Add several lime wheels to the pitcher. These slices float near the top and gradually release their citrus oils into the drink. Besides flavor, they give the pitcher a vibrant appearance that signals freshness and makes the cocktail more inviting. Measure 6 cups of cold ginger ale. Using well-chilled ginger ale helps keep the cocktail crisp and preserves its carbonation. Cold soda also reduces the need for excessive ice, which can dilute the drink. Slowly pour the ginger ale into the pitcher with the whiskey and lime mixture. Pouring gently helps preserve the carbonation while allowing the soda to blend naturally with the other ingredients. Use a long bar spoon to stir the mixture gently. The goal is to combine the ingredients without flattening the bubbles from the ginger ale. A slow, light stir distributes the citrus and whiskey evenly throughout the pitcher. Add a generous handful of ice cubes to the pitcher. Ice chills the cocktail immediately and slightly dilutes the drink, which softens the strength of the whiskey and makes the cocktail more refreshing. Stir the mixture again very gently to distribute the ice and maintain the carbonation. This final stir ensures that the drink is evenly chilled while keeping the ginger ale lively and bubbly. Add a few more lime wheels to the pitcher for garnish. These additional slices brighten the appearance of the drink and enhance the citrus aroma that rises from the pitcher. Fill a rocks glass with fresh ice. Using fresh ice ensures the drink stays cold without introducing melted water that might dilute the flavor. Pour the whiskey ginger mixture from the pitcher into the ice-filled glass. As the cocktail flows over the ice, the carbonation becomes lively again, and the aroma of citrus and ginger become more noticeable. Place a lime wedge on the rim of the glass as a garnish. This finishing touch allows anyone drinking the cocktail to add extra citrus if they want a brighter flavor. Place the filled glass beside the pitcher. Presenting the drink alongside the full pitcher highlights the batch cocktail and makes it clear that more servings are ready to pour. Adjust the lime garnish on the glass so it sits neatly on the rim. A well-placed garnish improves presentation and gives the drink a finished, polished look. Add a few additional lime slices to the pitcher if needed. This keeps the pitcher looking fresh and vibrant while reinforcing the citrus aroma in the drink. Allow the drink to rest briefly so the carbonation settles and the flavors fully blend together. During this moment, the lime oils and ginger aromatics combine with the whiskey. Present the finished whiskey ginger cocktail with the pitcher and glass together. The golden color, rising bubbles, and fresh lime garnish showcase a refreshing drink ready to serve. Cover the pitcher with plastic wrap or a lid if the drink will not be served immediately. Covering the pitcher helps maintain carbonation and prevents the drink from absorbing refrigerator flavors. Place the covered pitcher in the refrigerator. Chilling the cocktail allows the flavors to meld together while keeping the drink crisp and refreshing. Remove the chilled pitcher from the refrigerator and stir gently before serving again. This redistributes the ingredients and ensures the drink tastes balanced in every glass. Place the covered pitcher in the freezer for a short time if rapid chilling is needed. The cold temperature quickly brings the drink down to serving temperature without excessive dilution. Remove the pitcher once it's well chilled. Avoid freezing the drink solid, as the carbonation and flavor balance are best preserved when the cocktail remains liquid. Add fresh ice to the pitcher after removing it from the freezer. The ice keeps the cocktail cold while maintaining the crisp texture of the drink. Add a small splash of fresh ginger ale if the pitcher has been sitting for a while. This restores the carbonation and refreshes the lively ginger flavor. Stir gently to combine the fresh soda with the existing cocktail. A light stir brings the drink back to life without losing the bubbles. Pour the refreshed whiskey ginger into a clean glass filled with fresh ice. The newly poured drink should sparkle with carbonation and appear bright and golden. Add a fresh lime wedge to the glass. The garnish adds aroma and allows the drinker to squeeze in more citrus if desired. Serve the refreshed cocktail and enjoy the crisp balance of whiskey warmth, bright lime, sparkling ginger. The drink should remain light, refreshing, and easy to sip. Okay, a little wisdom from the bartender. The whiskey ginger is one of those cocktails that proves simple drinks can be exceptional when balance is right. With only the few ingredients, whiskey, ginger ale, and fresh lime, the success of the drink depends heavily on ingredient quality, proportions, and the way it's assembled. Even though this cocktail is easy to make, a few bartender techniques can make the difference between an average drink and one that feels bright, crisp, and perfectly refreshing. One of the most important choices in this recipe is the whiskey itself. Bourbon and rye both work well, but they create slightly different flavor profiles. Bourbon brings soft sweetness with notes of vanilla, caramel, and toasted oak, which makes the cocktail smooth and approachable. Rye whiskey, on the other hand, adds a spicier edge that pairs beautifully with a sharp bite of ginger ale. If you prefer a sweeter cocktail, bourbon is the best option. If you enjoy a little more spice and complexity, rye whiskey will deliver a bolder version of the drink. Another key element is the ginger ale. Not all ginger ales are the same. Some are very sweet and mild, while others have stronger ginger flavor and more pronounced carbonation. A good ginger ale should provide a lively sparkle and a noticeable ginger bite without overpowering the whiskey. Using well-chilled ginger ale is also important because colder soda holds carbonation longer and keeps the cocktail crisp. Fresh lime juice is essential in this recipe. Bottled lime juice lacks the bright citrus aroma and natural acidity that fresh lime provides. The small amount of fresh juice does more than just add tartness. It actually balances the sweetness of the soda and highlights the warm notes of the whiskey. The lime wheels in the pitcher also release subtle citrus oils as they sit, which gradually enhance the aroma of the drink. Because this cocktail relies on carbonation, stirring technique matters. The goal is always to mix gently rather than aggressively. Over stirring can flatten the bubbles in the ginger ale and leave the drink tasting dull. A slow, gentle stir distributes the ingredients evenly while keeping the cocktail lively and sparkling. Ice management is another detail that improves the final result. Large, solid ice cubes melt more slowly and keep the drink cold without watering it down too quickly. When making a pitcher for guests, it's often best to keep the ice primarily in the serving glasses rather than packing the pitcher full of it. This allows the drink to stay balanced for longer periods of time. One advantage of pitcher cocktails is it is flexible for entertaining. The base mixture of whiskey and lime can be prepared ahead of time and kept chilled in the refrigerator. When it's time to serve, simply add the ginger ale and ice to bring the drink to life. This approach keeps the carbonation fresh and ensures every glass tastes as vibrant as the first. The whiskey ginger is also a cocktail that invites customization. If you enjoy a slightly brighter drink, you can increase the lime juice slightly. If you prefer a stronger ginger presence, try a spicier ginger ale or even substitute it with ginger beer. Some bartenders also add a dash of aromatic bitters to introduce subtle complexity without changing the overall character of the drink. Garnish plays a small but meaningful role as well. Lime wedges or wheels provide a burst of citrus aroma each time the glass is lifted. That fresh citrus scent enhances the experience and reinforces the refreshing nature of the cocktail. Ultimately, the whiskey ginger pitcher works so well because it combines simplicity, balance, and refreshment. The whiskey brings warmth and depth, the lime brightens the drink, and the ginger ale adds lively sparkle that makes the cocktail easy to sip. When prepared properly, it becomes a perfect party drink. Light enough for casual gatherings, but flavorful enough to stand along more complex cocktails. Whether you're serving it at a backyard barbecue, a holiday gathering, or a relaxed evening with friends, the Whiskey Ginger Pitcher is a reliable cocktail that always feels fresh, crisp, and welcoming. And there you have it, a whiskey ginger pitcher that's crisp, refreshing, and incredibly easy to serve for a crowd. This cocktail is a perfect example of how a few simple ingredients can come together to create something that feels both classic and festive at the same time. The combination of smooth whiskey, bright fresh lime, and lively ginger ale gives this drink a balance that's hard to beat. It's light enough to sip casually, yet bold enough to keep that signature whiskey character in every glass. When served ice cold with fresh citrus garnish, it becomes one of those drinks that people reach for again and again. What makes this pitcher version especially great is how effortless it makes entertaining. Instead of mixing individual cocktails all night, you can prepare one large batch and let your guests help themselves. It keeps the gathering relaxed and everyone gets a perfectly balanced drink without the wait. This is also the kind of cocktail that works year-round. It's refreshing enough for warm summer evenings, yet the whiskey gives it enough warmth to feel right at home during cooler months and holiday gatherings. That versatility is exactly why drinks like this remain classic behind the bar. If you enjoy experimenting, the Whiskey Ginger is also a fantastic base for variations. Try using rye whiskey for a spicier kick, add a few slices of fresh ginger for extra zing, or swap in ginger beer for a stronger ginger bite. Even small adjustments can give the drink a completely different personality while still keeping the original character intact. The most important thing to remember with cocktails like this is balance and freshness. Use a good whiskey you enjoy drinking, fresh citrus whenever possible, and well-chilled ginger ale to keep the carbonation lively. Those simple details make a huge difference in the final result. I hope this whiskey ginger pitcher becomes one of your go-to drinks when you're hosting friends, celebrating a special occasion, or simply relaxing at the end of the day. It's quick to make, easy to serve, and always a crowd favorite. Thanks for spending some time behind the bar with me, and as always, keep cooking, keep experimenting, and keep enjoying great food and drinks.